incredible La Lydia Ranch is hitting the open market for the first time. This legacy ranch boasts 1,135 acres of gently rolling, high-protein brush and incredible native grasses, all under a well-maintained high fence. La Lydia Ranch has been managed for decades for deer hunting and has all native South Texas genetics. With bucks taken up to 170 inches, the ranch is sure to fulfill your dreams of owning a true South Texas hunting paradise. In addition to the first-class deer hunting operation, the quail and dove populations are plentiful, with 2 surface tanks providing plenty of groundwater for the wildlife. During the winters, hunt the waterfowl on their way south in one of the 2 tanks. And during the spring, hunt the well-managed Senderos while looking for the native turkey that roams the ranch and surrounding area. Equipped with 6 blinds and feed pens, this ranch is turnkey and ready for any hunter. La Lydia Ranch boasts incredible native grasses throughout, offering a multi-use purpose in both grazing and hunting. The extremely high-protein brush coupled with the extensive grass offer cattle and wildlife top-shelf grazing year-round. With an excellent trap and pen location on the eastern side of the ranch is turnkey. Just bring your cattle. La Lydia boasts 3 drilled and capped water wells, 1 solar water well, and 2 older windmills with steel casing. Come see what true South Texas hunting is all about on the incredible La Lydia Ranch.